when you are in something, you learn simply because we learn a lot from you.
Yeah.
So from kids who have improved to this point, this is the following that we found. First, all these parents, had a very clear, well-defined acceptance of their children the way they were. Okay, they did not look at their children as less than. They looked at their children as different. This is very important because if we see our children as less than, they will also look at themselves as less than. They are different. In fact, today, earlier it was called, there was autism and there were subdivisions, then they called it autism spectrum disorders, and now in some parts of Europe and England, they are saying don't use the word autism. They are now talking of calling children neurotypical or neurodiverse. Just like, you can have a child who's short and a child who's tall. You can have a child who's fair, you can have a child who's dark, you can have a child with blue eyes, you can have a child with white eyes. So, you have children who have a brain like how we have, that's neurotypical, or you can have a brain like our children have, which is diverse. So this whole, the whole thing that has been sort of created is that these children are less than, that they aren't able to do things. This has led to a complete, a skewed way of looking at them. So, it's like, can I have the bottle? I could say this bottle is half full and you could say it's half empty, and we both are right. So far, all of us, our support structures, our medical care providers, everybody is looking at the half empty. What we have to change is looking at the half full.